Do you like burgers? When someone says burger, what do you think of first? Bread? Today, I'm making something that looks like a burger, but it's actually made of rice. The outside is crispy, while the inside is soft. And honestly, it's kind of dangerous because once you start eating it, you can hardly stop. It looks like a regular burger, but it tastes completely different. The first step is simple. We just cook the rice. Regular white rice works perfectly fine. First, let's add some salt, a little bit chicken powder, and I like to add some scallions. These scallions will help bring out more aroma. Last, let's add water. Okay, let's cook the rice. After 30 minutes, wow, the rice already smells amazing. Remove the scallions, and we will move to the most important step. What's that? Add a piece of butter while the rice is still hot. Once the butter melts and mixed in, the flavor becomes much richer and smoother. This small step makes a huge difference. I'm adding some seaweed too. You can throw in whatever you like: sesame seeds, peanuts, anything else. It is totally freestyle. Now, press the rice into a container and press it firmly. This step is quite important. Many people fail when making rice cakes, not because of frying, but because the rice isn't pressed tightly enough. Then, refrigerate it for about 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. If you're in a hurry, you can freeze it for 30 minutes, but don't freeze it too long. Once it's fully cooled down, the rice becomes firm and easy to handle. See? The texture is perfect for cutting. I like the round shape. Cut it into even pieces. Don't make them too thin, or they will stay soft inside after frying. Now, heat the oil to around 180 to 200 centigrade. If the oil is too cold, the rice will absorb oil. But if it is too hot, the surface will burn too quickly. Carefully place the rice pieces into the oil one by one, so they don't stick together. Listen, this sound tells you the temperature is just right. Let them fry until golden and crispy. It needs around 2 minutes. In the process, you could check if the color is right. Nice. Second one. After frying, let it rest on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil and reduce the greasiness. Now, we assemble the burger. First, my favorite mustard, cheese, lettuce, tomato. I recommend you add more tomato, fresh, red flavor, help balance out the richness of fried rice plate. Next, ham. Then, place another rice rib on the top. Yeah, the rice burger is done. Hey, let me have a try. Crispy outside, soft inside. The dangerous part is about this burger is that you think you're going to eat just one, but you probably end up eating 3. If you like crispy rice, it might become your favorite comfort food.